¿Qué pasa, hermanos de YouTube? ¿Cómo están? Hoy desde una locación por acá en exteriores, cerca a Bogotá. Esto es camino hacia La Vega. Es una carretera que por tradición y por preferencia de los motociclistas la prefieren para los fines de semana, ya que es bastante sinuosa y pues tiene una pendiente bastante pronunciada, así como se ve. Pero vengo a hablarles de este nuevo video que estamos haciendo de la serie de Zongshen, para que por favor lo vean. Vean todos esos videos que están bien interesantes, para que entiendan qué es Zongshen y cómo es Zongshen. Entonces, los dejo con este nuevo video. Son dos nuevas motos que vamos a ver, todos los detalles, todas las cosas. Entonces, mis amigos, me iré a almorzar, ya les mostraré mi plato. Estamos aquí en un restaurante que se llama La Chanchería, cerdo exquisito. Entonces, ya les muestro mi plato. ¡Pum!
Friends from South America, welcome to Zongshen live showroom. My name is Alona. Today I'm going to introduce you very cool motorbikes. One of them is RA2 and another one is Batlo 3. But to help me do this, I will invite our sales personnel, Mariana. But firstly, let's watch a short introduction. Alright, we are back. I'm going to invite Mariana to tell us more about RA2. Mariana, come on in.
Hi, Laura.
Hello. It's so good to see you.
Yeah, me too.
Alright, so a lot of our overseas friends want to know more about RA2. Please tell us.
Sí. Hola, señores y señoras, todos amigos. Soy Mariana y bienvenidos a nuestra exposición. Hoy vamos a conocer un nuevo chopper y su nombre es RA2. Aquí yo tengo una pregunta para ustedes. Si saben por qué se dice que la RA2 es la primera moto de tipo crucero deportivo con estilo clásico para los jóvenes. Ahora síganme a ver las características principales y van a tener la respuesta. A ver, toda la moto tiene un diseño puro derivado de la motocicleta retrospectiva americana. Tiene una figura redonda, pero se ve muy potente. Es clásico y moderno. Y se aplican una lámpara redonda y un velocímetro redondo. Ambos son los símbolos típicos del estilo americano. Pero la lámpara delantera lleva una cubierta moderna, es muy brillante y llamativa. Y el velocímetro está equipado con una pantalla de LCD para mostrar los parámetros importantes como la velocidad y el kilometraje. Se ve muy bonito. Y el tanque. El tanque tiene una gran capacidad de 13 litros. Aquí se muestra un asiento individual de un logotipo pero también tenemos selecciones de doble asientos. Y las luces traseras son de LED. Tiene una estructura de suspensión, son muy tecnológicas. Ahora, vamos a ver una parte más importante de la máquina, es el motor. El motor es de 250 centímetros cúbicos, es muy potente, es de 6 velocidades y tiene una potencia máxima de 19 caballos de fuerza y el torque máximo puede llegar a 18 metronewton. Además, se aplica un sistema de inyección eléctrica. El sistema se llama Delphi, es muy conocido y avanzado. Se combina con la gran potencia del motor para garantizar una salida estable con alto rendimiento. Y la moto tiene una altura de asiento de 715 milímetros y la distancia entre los ejes es de 1380, cuales hacen una proporción dorada para el manejo, es más cómodo. Y vamos a ver el muffler. El muffler está hecho de acero inoxidable. También es un estándar del estilo americano, del clasicismo. Y ahora vamos a ver el cuadro. Para el cuadro utilizamos una estructura de la cuna, parecida de la cuna, para bajar la gravedad. Es fácil de controlar y manejar. Y las ruedas son de rayos. La llanta delantera tiene una dimensión de 90 por 90 a 18 y la trasera es de 140 por 90 a 15. Las grandes dimensiones traerá un excelente agarre y estabilidad. Y los frenos delanteros y traseros ambos son de disco. También se aplica un sistema de CBS para que el frenado sea más seguro. Y ahora vamos a ver el sistema de suspensión. La suspensión delantera es de horquilla telescópica y la trasera es de doble amortiguadores con gas, cuales hacen que el manejo sea más confortable en todos los tipos de recorridos. Excepto que el asiento individual y doble asientos, también tenemos más selecciones para personalizar su moto, como el manubrio alto, confortable, el manubrio bajo, deportivo, el respaldo, la parrilla, los apoyabrazos, las bolsas laterales, etc. Así es la RA2. Si ya tienen la respuesta.
Wow, Mariana, that was so cool. Thank you for telling us more about RA2. We will be back. So, you know, Mariana, we have a lot of people watching us right now asking questions. Do you mind me asking them?
Yeah, of course.
All right, question number 1. What optional equipment does RA2 have?
Como lo que he mencionado, tenemos muchas opciones, como el asiento individual, doble asientos, el manubrio alto, manubrio bajo, el respaldo, la bolsa lateral y los apoyabrazos, etc.
Question number 2. Is there any optional engines for RA2?
En este momento solo tenemos PR250.
Does RA2 is only in EFI status?
En este momento sí.
What is the maximum power torque and maximum speed of RA2?
RA2 tiene una potencia máxima de 19 caballos de fuerza y el torque máximo puede llegar a 18 metronewton.
The next question is, what is the design concept for RA2?
RA2 es un estilo puro americano.
American design, right?
Yeah, American design.
All right. The next question is there a version of RA2 with a high handle?
Sí, muy pronto tendremos.
Another question is, there is a person from Thailand asking, can he purchase it right now and is it convenient to maintain it?
Yes, it is on sale. Sí,
Yes.
tenemos.
All right, that's great. That's great. Alright, these were all the questions for today. Thank you, Mariana, for answering them. It was so good to see you.
Thank you, Lola.
I'll see you next time, alright? Okay, bye-bye. I'm sure you guys are eager to know what is it during driving, right? During riding this motorbike. You want to see how does it perform. So later on we will watch a short video and you will know even more about it. Don't go away, stay tuned, stay online. Well, it was so exciting to listen about RA2, right? But we have another new product on the market to introduce to you, which is called Batlo 3. But before we start to talk about it, let's watch a short video and get to know it more. Be back. Alright, now I'm going to invite our sales personnel to tell us more about Batlo 3. Come on in, Ray. Hello.
Hi, Lola. Nice
Hi, it's so good to see you.
Yeah, it's the same.
So today we are talking about Batlo 3.
Yeah,
Can you
sure.
tell us more about it?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, friends and amigos, how are you? I am Ray. Okay, finally, here it comes with the Zongshen brand new sport design bike called Batlo 3, or we can call him Bajo de Les, because it's originated from Spanish. So
Oh.
Bajo de Les is also available.
Right.
Okay, so let's go and check.
Let's
Lola.
take a look. Let's take a look.
Yeah. At first sight, when we saw the headlamp, actually you can look it's quite sharp, like a rubber head, like a Transformers, you know. And
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
like
yeah.
a blade. But in the front view, it's like a very thin. The face is very thin, like a V angle, and match the line of the guide covers pretty well. It's like a wing.
Very modern design, I
Yes.
feel.
And also, as a sport bike, the LED decoration bulb in the corner is necessary for current fashion options. So we put it here and like small eyes here, like blink, blink, blink.
This one's white and this one is yellow.
Yes, because the main bulb is halogen bulb. This is not only to reduce cost, but you know the halogen bulb is more penetrating than LEDs, especially in the environment of low visibility, such as mountainous area, rainy days, some other tough environment.
Right.
So it's quite usable to cope with those tough environment with a wider use.
Good to
Okay.
know. Yeah.
Let's move to the meter.
Yeah.
When I turned the key, I saw the meter was like full colored and full LED screen. Actually, it surprised me a lot because this bike is designed as an entry-level bike, you know. So it means the basic.
Yeah,
basic
basic.
sport type bike. But this kind of meter is full LED, many colors. LED is for a high-end bike normally. So actually, the rider can recognize all numbers for different functions very easily, even in strong sunlight. I think it's a pretty good design.
It doesn't need a sunshade, right?
Yeah,
It's already, you can see even
You
under
can see
the
it
sun.
even under the sunshade outside, so it's no problem. Okay, let's move to the fuel tank. Normally, as a practical bike, everybody's care about the range, how much kilometers they can ride
Yeah.
outside, and no need to worry about the gasoline. This fuel tank have a capacity of 15 liters, and normally the comprehensive oil consumption of this bike is around 2 liters. So it means you can ride around 700 kilometers per time. So you don't need to worry about anything when you go out or go to work or go for a trip like that. Also, this bike, you can check the details of the painting of the fuel tank and the covers. The lacquer is quite bright and well finished. Oh, this is like reached the top level among those competitors in here domestic market or also for overseas market.
I feel it's
think so.
nicely decorated, yes.
Yeah,
These
yeah.
black lines and blue color.
It's simple, but not with good design. Okay, let's move to the seat.
Yeah.
Okay, as a sport entry-level bike, okay, one-piece high and low seat is always equipped because to save some cost, it's to some degree. But it is equipped with elastic leather and foam, so it's quite friendly to the hip. So you can ride. For example, our testing riders have been tested outside like 2 hours. He can feel no fatigue in the hip after that. So I think it's okay.
Even women can ride it because it's quite narrow, right?
Yes, the feedback, the good resilience feedback can fit everybody very well. Yeah, if you're a heavy man or a light.
Doesn't matter your
weight.
weight. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay. Let's check the front shock absorption.
Sure.
Yeah, the front shock absorption is adapted with a normal front fork because it's economic. But we set this front shock absorption very soft and you can feel very comfortable. And about the rear shock absorption, it's 4-grade adjustable. So if you are a heavy man, you can adjust it like more harder. If you are a light girl, you can adjust it more softer. So it's
even that option is available.
Yeah,
that's
it's
great.
quite good. Adjustable. You can adjust it per your preference, harder or softer, or riding in the mountainous area or riding a flat road. So it's up to you.
Cool.
Okay.
What are we moving on next?
Next, we can see the disc.
Yeah.
We applied a front disc brake and the rear drum brakes. The front disc brake bears the main braking force while riding, and it's matched with a big diameter disc around 220 millimeters, and it ensures a further safety when you're driving. It's very important.
And the rear disc is the same, right?
No, rear is drum brakes.
Oh, right.
Yeah, in the future we may have a disc brake under developing because it's very entry level. So
yeah,
to save some cost, we don't want to apply one time immediately both disc brakes. Okay, moreover, let's check the muffler. This muffler is made of stainless steel and it has a better performance in rust resistance, and also it wrapped in a plastic cover. Plastic cover looks big and also high end, matched the overall appearance very well, I think. Okay, moreover, what's next?
What's next?
Let me check. Okay, I think right now we are going to talk about the engine. The heart of the motorbike. Yeah. This bike is equipped with the latest PR150 engine, as you know. This engine is the 4th generation engine developed by Zongshen and Biagio, and with chain drive, 5-gear cycle, and the maximum power is around 8.3 kilowatts. Actually, this 150cc engine is not impressively on the power. Yeah, 8.3 kilowatts. But compared with those similar bikes in the market, the engine speed rises faster in this bike. So I think Battle 3 can cope with those different situations of riding very easily. Okay, it's also worth mentioning the torque. The torque of this engine is, maximum torque is 11.4 Newton meter at 6,500 RPM. And it can maintain a stable and a strong output while going uphill. So it's good use in mountainous areas such as here, Chongqing.
Right? I just wanted to say.
It's quite different from some other places.
Yeah.
It's like always going up and going down. Also in South Latin America, like Central America, Colombia, Ecuador, they are the similar landscape.
Right.
So it's quite good on these specs. Also, you can load a person like wheeling 70 kilograms in the back seat and climb the hill without any problem.
Oh, so even 2 people can ride at the same time, right?
One rider with 70 kilograms and another passenger with 70 kilograms. It means both of us riding it and climbing hill without any problem.
Yeah, so great. I didn't even know about it.
Yes, and also this engine controls the vibration very well. Because a built-in balance shaft is equipped, and there is almost no vibration before 7,000 RPM. Even we put the twist to the speed of 7,000 RPM and over a speed of 80 kilometers per hour, there is only a little bit of vibration. Actually, this does a good thing for a rider because you feel comfortable. You like driving, so. So the vibration of the engine and also for the overall bike, if it does good on this, it means this bike does a good job in everything.
Right.
So I recommend you this bike. Definitely.
I also sincerely recommend this Battler 3. It's so great.
Yeah, and more is okay as an entry-level bike. So it means our target is for most of our markets. It's not only South Latin America or Asian market or European. So we target as many markets. And the seat height is around 716 millimeters. It's like medium low. So
Medium.
Yeah, medium low, and allows most riders to land on their feet very easily. Very easily. I can try that.
Why
Yeah.
not? Yeah,
I can try that.
What is your height?
Okay, my height, I guess it's 175 centimeters.
Okay. Yeah.
You can see with the main stand, I can still put my
You
feet
can
on the
still
ground
stand on the
very
ground.
easily.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
when I put my foot on the footrest, my hand, foot, and the hip, quite well. The triangle design fits me very well. So it's friendly to the new riders.
Right.
You can ride with very comfortable status and enter riding status very easily. And also it has more rooms in the main seat. So for those experienced riders, they can have more control options, like a little bit racing style, something like that.
Oh.
Okay. Let me check, is there any more things?
If I was in pants, I would also go on it, but
Okay.
unfortunately I'm wearing a
Okay.
dress, so impossible.
A female racing rider is always welcome, a kind of view on the street, you know.
That is also sexy, so
Yeah,
cool.
you know, everybody like that.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I've done almost most of the introduction of this bike. Thanks for your listening. Do you have any questions?
Yes, thank you, Ray, for introducing Battler 3 to us. Later on, we will be watching a short video,
Okay.
and after that, we will ask you questions. All right?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. And next on, we will watch our rider to check it out, right? We want to know how does it perform. So just keep online, stay tuned, don't go away. I'll see you later.
Bueno, mis amigos, ya barriga llena, corazón contento y espero que les haya gustado el video. Hemos trabajado muy duro para poder hacer los subtítulos para que sea un video más asequible a todos ustedes. Entonces, bueno, espero que valoren eso, nuestro trabajo. Entonces, bueno, mis hermanos, los dejo, los llevo en el corazón, se les quiere y ya casi terminamos la serie de videos de Zongshen, así que por favor véanlos. Un abrazo, hermanos, cuidado con las rutas, chao.